Have you ever felt this struggle? You dream about achieving something big. You imagine success, respect, and a better life. But when it's time to take action, you delay. You tell yourself, "I'll start tomorrow." If you have ever been ambitious but lazy, this story is for you. It might change the way you look at your life. Once, in a quiet village surrounded by green fields and tall trees, lived a young man named Jhon. Jhon was 25 years old, strong, healthy, and full of dreams. He often spoke proudly to his friends, saying, "One day, I will be the most successful farmer in this village. My land will glow with golden crops. People will respect me and seek my advice." Everyone admired Jhon's confidence and ambition, but there was one serious problem. Jhon was lazy. Every morning, when the sun rose, other farmers walked toward their fields with tools in hand. Jhon stayed in bed. When villagers worked under the burning sun, Jhon sat under a tree, talking about his future success. When someone asked him to help, he smiled and said, "I'll do it later." He loved big dreams but avoided hard work. He imagined success but hated effort. One evening, Jhon's uncle, an old wise farmer, came to visit. He looked at Jhon's land. The soil was rich and fertile, but nothing was growing there. "My son," the uncle said gently, "why is your field empty? You speak of success, yet I see only dry land." Jhon laughed confidently. "Uncle, don't worry. I'll start tomorrow. You'll see. My field will be the best." The old man sighed. He had heard that word tomorrow too many times, so he decided to teach Jhon a lesson. From his pocket, the uncle took out 2 small bags of seeds. "These are special seeds," he said. "One is the seed of ambition. If you plant it and care for it every day, it will grow into a tree of success, wealth, and respect." He then held up the second bag. "This is the seed of laziness. It grows quickly without effort, but it spreads weeds that destroy everything around it." He placed both seeds in Jhon's hands. The future of your land and your life depends on which seed you choose to care for. That night, Jhon thought, "Of course I will choose ambition." But when morning came, he felt tired. "I'll plant them tomorrow," he said. Days passed. Out of boredom, Jhon eventually planted both seeds. "I'll take care of them later," he told himself. Weeks went by. Jhon forgot about the field. He slept late, wasted time, and kept dreaming about success. Then one day, he returned to his land and froze. The laziness seed had grown wild. Thick weeds covered the field, spreading fast and choking the soil. The ambition seed was still there, but it was weak, dry, and almost dead. Soon after, his uncle returned. He looked at the field and said, "Jhon, this land is your life. Ambition is like a small seed. It needs daily effort and discipline. Without action, it dies. But laziness grows on its own and destroys everything." Jhon dropped to his knees. Tears filled his eyes. For the first time, he understood the truth. Dreams alone are not enough. Only action keeps them alive. That night, Jhon couldn't sleep. He thought about his wasted time and broken promises. "If I don't change now," he whispered, "laziness will control my life forever." Before sunrise, Jhon woke up. He went to the field and began pulling out weeds with his bare hands. His back hurt. His hands bled, but he didn't stop. He watered the ambition seed every day. Slowly, it grew strong. Years passed. The small plant became a great tree, giving fruit, shade, and prosperity. Jhon changed too. He became known as the man who defeated laziness and built his future through discipline. Dear listener, this story isn't just about farming. It's about life. Inside each of us are 2 seeds, ambition and laziness. Ambition grows only when you feed it daily with effort and action. Laziness grows without effort, but it kills your dreams. So don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Water your ambition. Remove the weeds of laziness, because the longer you wait, the closer your dreams come to dying.